Hey guys, and thanks for watching this video. So this is a real quickie here, and this is one I didn't actually see any videos for on YouTube. I see plenty of stuff about deleting the exhaust pressure valve actuator off of the pedestal of the turbo, but most people aren't rebuilding them. Well, I did rebuild mine, and one thing that wasn't really that clear in the instructions, especially if you just looked at the printed ones that came from Garrett with the ultra fine small tiny print. Well, you gotta set the preload on this thing, well, supposedly, before you can installify it. So here, let me show you real briefly how that goes. Let's begin here. You're gonna, on the bench, you're gonna want to go ahead and just tighten down, not like crazy or anything, but put the two bolts back in the turbo and put the turbo on the pedestal and cinch it down to do this. Okay, so now that that's done, then you'll just remove the turbo again from the pedestal, and then it'll be time to reinstall the pedestal on the truck with the new O-rings. Okay, so we need to set the preload on this actuator rod. What you're going to want to do is, let me go ahead and unpick it here and show you. Alright, you're going to want this rod, you know, it goes in and out, but you want it all the way to the back of the cylinder. And you're going to, then you want to adjust your arm a little and get ready for more readjustments. Alright, you're supposed to put a .01 feeler gauge. I don't know if you can even see this or not. I'm having a hard time with the camera. Okay, there's a stop right here on the back side of this, and you're supposed to put that between that, but you can hear that it's moving, so the feeler gauge wouldn't work, and plus need to take up a little bit more slack out of that. So let's go ahead and put another full turn on this thing. There we go. Now there's really not so much slop. Now you're supposed to take a 10-pound, well, you're supposed to take a sliding scale. I got a crappy one from Walmart that probably doesn't work. But anyway, that aside, the point of this one right here is that you want 10 pounds of force pulling against this assembly here before your valve actually starts to close, so that you know that it's within proper operation. So we're going to pull this on out here until we visually see it start to move. I got it at about 8 pounds, it looks like. But I don't believe that this is even right to begin with, so we're also going to test that as well to see what it's at. I am going to just take this off and put 1/2 turn into it. If you tighten it up, that equates to more pressure being needed. If you loosen it up, it's the opposite. Now it did hit the 10-pound mark at that time. So I'm going to find a 10-pound weight and verify this thing, because I doubt that this is accurate, even close, for $5. But anyway, so I believe that I do have that set. And what you want to do is take the nut that's behind the arm and tighten it up to the arm so that the position is now held. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found it of some benefit. And some other things you might find beneficial is, would be things that actually have to do with what happens after this life is over. You should pick up a Bible and check it out. And if you don't know who the Lord Jesus Christ is and how to be saved, then check out my salvation article at sharingthetruthandlove.com and click on the salvation tab. I hope y'all have yourselves a wonderful day. Love you guys. Take care. Bye-bye.